Hey guys, it is Dubs here on Saturday morning. It is 11:15 a.m. Saturday, October 6th. And this is break number 62, 11-12 titanium. Here is your list of winning bidders. As you can see, we got two 5+ winning teams, or team winning bidders. DJ and Ella's mom and F. Bennett HCSG. So for Aaron, I've got a Michael Camilleri Authentic Fabrics card for the Canadiens. And for Bennett, I've got a James Van Riemsdyk Authentic Fabrics card for the Flyers. Our short straw bonus cards for today will feature Pekka Rinne and Shea Weber, a luxury suite card for the Preds, and a dual jersey card of Milan Hajduk for the Colorado Avalanche. So if at any time during the break you fail to get a hit, fear not, because you will get a second chance at getting something. Our roulette board for today looks a little something like this. We've got a Upper Deck Black Rookie Letterman card of Tom Wandel for the Dallas Stars, and that is our 50 chip, and our 25 chip is John Sebastian Aubin for the Pittsburgh Penguins. It is a game-used leg pad from Black Diamond from back in the day. So that is our green chip. So green we have on 35, orange on 29, green on 23 and 17, orange on 11, green on 5, 2 and 0 and 00. So if at any time during the break we spin one of those numbers on our roulette wheel, we'll give away the associated card, and if both cards are drawn, or sorry, if both chip colors are spun, we will give away the higher chip value of the two. That is what I meant to say. Here is our box of titanium, but before we do that, we will move to this week's segment of the Winnipeg Jets free team giveaway. So we will spin the wheel and reveal a team from our bonus board, and that team will be walking away with their team for free. And that is team number 32. 32 is not associated with any team, so we will spin the wheel again. And that is number 2. So team number 2, who will be walking away with a team refund, will be the Florida Panthers. And the Florida Panthers are owned by F. Bennett HCSG. So congratulations, buddy. You'll be taking home the Panthers for free. I will refund that to you at a later time. So without further ado, here's our serial number. It is 181120488. It is a dubs88 box, so I'm hoping for great things here. So without further ado, here are our 5 packs. And none of them are terribly thin. Hope that means a good thing. Or maybe it means I should have kept this box for myself. Okay, so here we go. Starting things off. We've got El Montoya for the New York Islanders. We've got a Ruby parallel base card of Daniel Alfredson for the Ottawa Senators, and Terry B, newcomer to my break, so welcome here. And here you go, 92 out of 99. And that was our first hit of the break. So our first strike bonus going to Terry B and the Ottawa Senators. So for you, I will be adding in, my markers disappeared, there we go. We'll be adding in a pack of 12-13 OPG for getting the first hit. So that is for Terry B. At the bottom, we had Roberto Luongo for the Vancouver Canucks. And behind Alfredson, we have a Keith Yandel game-worn gear card for the Phoenix Coyotes and Zach Laurie. Come on, let's focus. There we go. So that'll be going to Zach Laurie. Ottawa and Phoenix. Pack number 2. We got Joe Thornton up top for the Sharks. Then Marian Gaborik for the Rangers. Martin Brodeur in the back for the Devils. And the next card is a dual jersey card for the Buffalo Sabres and Arenado M2. It is Drew Stafford and Thomas Vanek for the Buffalo Sabres. This card is numbered. Come on, just focus for me. 205 out of 300. Stafford's got a blue jersey swatch. Vanek has a red. So that will be going to Arenado M2. Do some 2 first packs. Alright, next up we've got Steven Stamkos for the Lightning, followed by Blake Wheeler for the Jets. From the back we've got Brizgalov for the Flyers. And next up we've got a titanium rookie reserve of Brendan Smith for the Detroit Red Wings and DJ and Ella's mom. That is a 2 jersey, white and red, autograph card numbered 38 out of 100. So a nice titanium reserve for the Red Wings. Not a bad pack at all. Then we got Claude Giroux for the Flyers, Henrik Lundqvist for the Rangers, Milan Hajduk for the Avalanche, and our next card is a Brent Seabrook game-worn gear card for the Chicago Blackhawks and DJ and Ella's mom. And our last pack. Up top, Mike Smith for the Coyotes, Kari Lehtonen for the Dallas Stars, Jimmy Howard for the Red Wings, and our last card is a dual, look at that, dual patch of Martin Brodeur for the New Jersey Devils and James Optimus Reimer for the Toronto Maple Leafs. That is number 6 out of 15. Beautiful card. Nice patches going on there. So that'll be randomed off between DJ and Ella's mom and Terry B. So we will bring out our 643boxbreaks.com sudden death card. We'll place that right above there. Brodeur will be represented by the even numbers on the roulette wheel. Reimer will be represented by the odd numbers on the roulette wheel. So we will spin. If 0 or 00 pop up, we will spin the wheel again. And let's see who's going to be taking this one home. Once again, just to remind you, even numbers Brodeur, odd Reimer. And that is numbered 25. 25 is an odd number, so that'll be going to the Toronto Maple Leafs and newcomer Terry B. Congratulations, that is a nice hit for you there. And I spun the number 25. Yeah, that was a good box. Should have kept it for myself. So congratulations to everybody who got a hit. Now we will be taking a look at the prize board. So we'll spin the wheel once again to reveal a prize, and then we will give that prize away to one of you guys. And it stops on number 24. And 24 is looking like a 0910 OPG Premier Stitching card of Ilya Kovalchuk. Ilya Kovalchuk. So that is right here. OPG Premier Stitching card, NHL 2002 Young Stars MVP. And that is numbered 30 out of 199. So we will spin the wheel once again to see who is going to be bringing home the bacon. And that is number 27. So team 27 is going to be the Washington Capitals and DJ and Ella's mom. Prize board. Kovalchuk to Washington. All right, cool. Now we will take a look at our short straw. So here's our two short straw cards, the Hayduk and the Rene Weber. At the bottom are all the teams that got hits during the break, so we'll just shuffle them off to the side. They're not important for this part. So we'll take the remaining teams, and we will put them into the cup. And we will shake this cup around. The first chip for the Hayduk will be the Anaheim Ducks and Sean 1989-77. And the second card, the Rene Weber, will be going to the Florida Panthers and Bennett. Hayduk. All right, and now let's take a look at our roulette board. So if you have been paying attention, these are the numbers that we have spun so far: 32, 2, 25, 24, and 27. So we'll see if we get anything. So starting from the bottom, we have 32, which is blank, 27, which is blank, 25 and 24, both are blank, and number 2. And number 2 is a green, so we will be giving away the John Sebastian Aubin game-used leg pad. That is our green chip card. So we will spin the wheel and see who is going to be taking that one home with them. And that is number 36. No team associated with 36, so we'll spin the wheel again. And that is number 3. So number 3, who will be taking home the pad card, will be the Pittsburgh Penguins and DJ and Ella's mom. So a Pittsburgh card for the Pittsburgh Penguins. So congratulations, Aaron. And lastly, we're going to jump over to our bingo board. In our last break, we put 2 more spots onto the board there, so we got 4 left for our blackout. Like I had said before, we got 9 marbles left. So after these 6 marbles, there will be 3 marbles left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our first marble is B2. And there's B2 to create another streak there. Our next marble is G55. And G55 is not on the board. Then we have O66. And O66 is down in the corner. Then we have O69, followed by B4, and B4 and O69 both not on the board. And our last one is the Golf Nut 5/7s shriveled ball. And G57 is not on the board. So we have 3 marbles left. So next week, Thursday, will be our next break. And with the 3 balls left, that means we're going to be hitting that 2012-13 OPG box. So it's too bad we couldn't get that done today. But next week, Thursday, with the 3 balls left, I think it is 100% guaranteed that we'll be getting that. So it's too bad we couldn't get that today for you. So as we stand, we got 2 spots left to fill for the blackout. I really honestly didn't think we'd be using up all of the marbles in the cage to get that, but that's just how things turn out sometimes. So thank you for joining me today on this Saturday morning. Hope you enjoyed what you saw, and I hope to see you again next week.